Yes, again, very good morning to all. We will start exercise 14D, question number 5. So, see here, in question number 5, find the base of the triangle if area is given 16 hectares and height is given 40 decameter. So, first of all, whatever information is given in this question, we will write down first of all. So, in this question, area is given. So, write down all of you, area is given how many? 16 hectares of a triangle, okay, and height is given how many? 40 decameter. Not this is decimeter, this is a decameter. So first of all, if you observe here, different units are there. So whenever units are different, then first of all we will convert into same unit. अब आप लोग सोच रहे होंगे सर which unit we will convert, in which unit we will convert this thing. So हम एक चीज में सबसे जनरल यूनिट जो होता है ऐसा यूनिट, that is what, that is मीटर. So हमें इसको मीटर में कन्वर्ट करना है. So I think all of you know 1 hectare is equals to how many meter square? 1 hectare is equals to 10,000 meter square. So we can say 16 multiply 10,000. Okay, that is 1,60,000. 1,60,000 meter square. That means area we know. We know area. Okay, we know area. We know height. Height how many? 40 multiply 10. Because we know 1 decameter is equals to how many meter? That is 10 meter. That's why we can say 40 multiplied by 10, that is 400 meter. That means area we know, height we know. We will find out what? We will find out the base. In this question we will find out the base. So I think all of you know what is the formula of the base of the triangle. Base of the triangle formula is what? Base of the triangle 2 multiply by area, okay, divided by height. 2 multiply by area divided by height. So here 2 multiply by area is how many? This is your 1,60,000 and divided by height, this is 400. Got it? Now see, 0 0 cancel out, this 0 cancel out. Okay, 2 2 ja 4 and this is 8 times. So that means whichever parts are remaining, like 8 and 1 2 0, that means 800 meter is the base of the triangle. Okay, so in this question आपको इस triangle में आपको base पूछा था, that we are find that is 800 meter. That is your complete answer. Okay, I think all of you understood this question, and here I am seeing many of the students are joining very late. Yes, so I hope all of you understood this question. Very easy question. Actually, as I told you also, कभी कभी आपको बेस दे रखा होगा तो आपको अल्टीट्यूड फाइंड करना हो सकता है, कभी कभी आपको बेस दे रखा हो सकता है, कभी कभी आपको हाइट दे रखा हो सकता है. सो अकॉर्डिंग टू दैट यू हैव टू फाइंड आउट द आंसर. ओके, all of you. So I will now remove. Next question will move question number 6. So in question number 6, students, find the altitude. So we will find out the altitude, means we will find out the height. This is a triangle and we need to find out the height. ये आपको find करना है. Okay. Now in this question, area is given. How many? Area is given. Let's see. Area is given 25 hours. And remember all of you, 1 hour is equals to how many meter square? 100 meter square. So 25 hours is equals to 25 multiplied by 100 meter square. So that means we can say this is a 2500 meter square. This is what? This is your area. ये आपके पास area दे रखा है. Okay, very nice. Now base is given. How many base is given? 20 meter. So all of you write down base is given how many? That is 20 meter. So tell me students, what is the altitude? All of you find out and tell me what is the altitude of the question. What is the altitude of the question? Let's see. The formula altitude is equals to 2 multiply area, okay, divided by base. 2 multiply by area divided by base. That means 2 multiplied by area is how many? 2500. divided by base how many 20, 0 से 0 cut, 2 cut, that means how many meter 250 meter. Answer is 250 meter. Done. That is your complete question number which one? Question number 6. Now we'll move question number 7. Okay. So question number 7, try to understand this concept. Very good question. This is not so easy question. So all of you just read your question from your book also. The area of a triangle, the area of a triangle is equal to the area of a triangle. The area of a triangle is equal to that square of the area of the square. ठीक है? दो हमारे पास फिगर है. First is triangle and second is square. Try to understand all of you. Very good question, very easy question. Area of the triangle is equals to area of the square. Yes. Try to understand, student. Here in this question, the side of the square is given. Yes, sir. Side of the square is given. How many? This is 60 meter. How many meter is given? 60 meter. So can I find out the area of the square easily? Yes, side into side, and side into side is equals to how many? We can say 3600. This is the area of the square we can say. Yes, अगर हमारे पास इसके एरिया आ जाएगा, so similar area of the triangle only. If it is 3600, then it is also 3600 because this is given in your question. ठीक है? Area we know. Now in this question, like find the side of the triangle whose corresponding altitude is given. Altitude कितना दे रखा है? That is 90. That means height is given. Height is how many given? 90. We need to find out the base. आपको क्या find करना है? आपको base find करना है. So how we will find out the base? कर सकते हो ना easily? Because we are done this question in lot of question. इस question में इतना सा आपको समझना था. If area of the square we know, if area of the square we know, that is the area of the triangle. Okay, so first of all, how I will write down the question? Listen carefully. In this question, side of a square is given, that is 60 meter. Okay, all of you note down. Side of the square is given 60 meter. So area of the square how many? Area of square is equals to 60 multiply 60 meter square, and we can say 3600 meter square. Okay, got it? Area of square. Now area of rectangle, sorry, area of triangle how many? Yes students, area of triangle just same, that is 3600 meter square. That means area of triangle also we know. Very good. Now altitude also given in your question. How many given? Altitude. Altitude is given, that is 90 meter. Altitude is given, that is 90 meter. We need to find out the base. We need to find out the base. So base is equals to 2 multiply by area. Base is equals to 2 multiply by area divided by altitude. Okay. So put the like values. 2 multiply, how many area is given? 3600 upon altitude how many? That is 90. So put it here 90. 0 से 0 cut. 9 4 जा 36. So we can say 2 multiply by 4040, that is 80 meter. That means we can say base is equals to how many? Actually आपके पास क्वेश्चन में ये कहा ना साइड फाइंड करना है. Side means base only. We can consider side means base only. Okay. In this triangle, side means base only. So we can say the answer is 80 meter. That is your complete answer. Okay. All of you understood? Show me your thumbs up one time. Okay. Yes. Very nice. Now we'll move. Next question. Okay. Question number 8. These all the questions are very simple questions. जब क्वेश्चंस हार्ड आएंगे उस टाइम मैं आपको समझा दूंगा अच्छे से 2 बार. बट नाउ This questions very easy, so will not take time, lot of times. And now within 2 minutes, each and every question we'll try to complete. So let's see next question, question number 8. So in question number 8, let's see. In this question number 8, say the base, okay, the base and height. The base and height of a triangle yes, now the base and height of a triangle are in the ratio of 3:4, okay, and area is given 96 centimeter square. Very good question. Find its base and height. आपको क्या फाइंड करना है? हाइट एंड बेस बोथ. अब मैंने आपको एक चीज बताया था, आपको याद होगा तो, whenever height and base are given in the ratio form, whenever base and height are given in the ratio form, this is not correct value, this is considerable value. We can say, we can consider base is how many? Base is, yes students, base is 3x and height is 4x, if you remember. Okay, so first of all we will consider, let base and height, base and height of a triangle, base and height of a triangle are 3x and 4x. Okay, base and height of a triangle are respectively 3x and 4x. Okay, and area is given. Area is how many given? 96 सेंटीमीटर स्क्वायर. अच्छे से ध्यान दो इसमें, 96 सेंटीमीटर स्क्वायर. दिस इज द इंफॉर्मेशन गिवन, विच इज गिवन. ठीक है, हमें क्या फाइंड करना है? बेस फाइंड करना है, हाइट फाइंड करना है. बट ये एक्स का फॉर्मेट में नहीं फाइंड करना है, आपको परफेक्ट वैल्यू चाहिए, आपको एक परफेक्ट वैल्यू फाइंड करना है. ओके, एंड आफ्टर दैट, सो एरिया इज इक्वल्स टू हाउ मेनी? हाफ इनटू बेस इनटू हाइट. ऑल ऑफ यू नो ना, हाफ इनटू बेस इनटू हाइट. चलो एक तरफ तो फॉर्मूला लिख दिया, एक तरफ तो वैल्यू लिख दिया. सो हाफ इनटू बेस हाउ मेनी सर? बेस 3x, पुट इट हियर. height how many? 4x is equals to 96. So 2 से 2 cancel out, correct? So 6, 3 2, ध्यान दो, 3 2 जा 6. okay, x into x, x square is equals to 96. 6x square is equals to 96. हमें x का वैल्यू फाइंड करना है. we will find out the value of x. अब कैसे फाइंड करूं देखना. x square is equals to, हाँ यस अमन, 6 कैसे जाएगा? नीचे चल जाएगा ना डिवाइड में. सो 96 डिवाइडेड बाय 6. सो एक्स स्क्वायर इज इक्वल्स टू 16. एक्स स्क्वायर इज इक्वल्स टू हाउ मेनी? 16. अब x का वैल्यू क्या होगा? x इज इक्वल्स टू स्क्वायर रूट ऑफ 16, दैट इज 4. अब x का वैल्यू आया 4. आप लोग क्या करते हो? बस आंसर निकल गया सर, और कुछ नहीं करना है. ऐसा नहीं करना है. x इज इक्वल्स टू 4. Now base is equals to 3x. So write down base is equals to 3 multiply 4, that is 12 centimeter. And height is equals to, we can say 4 multiply by 4, that is 16 centimeter. Means we can say जो हमारे पास x का वैल्यू था ना, उसको हमने पुट कर दिया. 3 into 4 and 4 into 4. That is your question number 7. Sorry, 8. Okay, so question number 9. A rectangular field is 24 meter long, 15 meter wide. बहुत अच्छा क्वेश्चन है, just be listen carefully. A rectangular field is 24 meter long and 15 meter wide. Okay, चलो मैं rectangular field बना देता हूँ. This is a rectangular field which is 24 meter long and 15 meter wide. Okay, how many triangular flower beds, each of base 3 meter and altitude 4 meter, can be laid in this field? मतलब आपके पास इस रेक्टेंगुलर फ्लोर में कितना आप बेड लगा सकते हो? फ्लावर बेड, वो वाला बेड नहीं है, फ्लावर बेड. हाउ मेनी फ्लावर बेड यू कैन पुट? सो व्हाट इज द बेस? 3 सेंटीमीटर. व्हाट इज द हाइट? 4 सेंटीमीटर. तो उस शेप का, उस साइज का कितना फ्लावर बेड आप लगा सकते हो? सो हाउ विल फाइंड आउट? चलो मैं एक बताता हूँ आपको चीज बहुत इजी वे में. सबसे पहले आपको एरिया ऑफ दिस रेक्टेंगुलर फील्ड फाइंड कर लो, है ना. सो एरिया ऑफ, वेरी इजी, एरिया ऑफ rectangular flower bed, not rectangular flower bed, rectangular field, rectangle field is equals to 24 multiply 15, 24 multiply 15, this is 360 meter square, that is the rectangular field. Okay, understood. Now अब आपको क्या फाइंड करना है, एरिया ऑफ फ्लावर बेड, एरिया ऑफ फ्लावर बेड. अब एरिया ऑफ फ्लावर बेड किस शेप में है, दिस इज अ ट्रायंगुलर शेप, दैट्स व्हाई द एरिया ऑफ फॉर्मूला ट्रायंगल हाफ इनटू बेस इनटू हाइट. नाउ बेस इज हाउ मेनी गिवन, दैट इज योर 3 meter. Okay, height is how many given, this is 4 meter. So we can say this is cancel out, 2 2 ja 4 and here 3 2 ja 6 meter square is coming. एक चीज ध्यान रख लेना, अगर आपको कोई भी नंबर ऑफ चीजें फाइंड करना है, नंबर ऑफ थिंग्स, देन फॉर्मूला इज देयर, एरिया ऑफ बिगर थिंग अपॉन एरिया ऑफ स्मॉलर थिंग. ठीक है, जैसे मैंने एक क्वेश्चन ले लिया आपको, दिस इज योर वॉल, आप जिस रूम में बैठे हो आपको वॉल को देखना है. अब उस वॉल में कितने नंबर ऑफ ब्रिक्स फाइंड करना, अगर मैं बोलूं हाउ मेनी ब्रिक्स आर हैविंग इन दिस वॉल, सो हाउ विल फाइंड आउट, फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल हैव टू फाइंड आउट area of this wall divided by area of one brick. Like this way you can find out number of like bricks, how many number of bricks are there, like this way. Okay, चलो एक्चुअली मैं आपके पास उसका वॉल्यूम का फॉर्मूला से भी निकाल सकते हैं, बट वॉल्यूम इज नॉट देयर इन योर सिलेबस, दैट्स व्हाई आई विल टेक दिस एरिया फॉर्मूला. सो व्हेनेवर यू हैव टू फाइंड आउट द नंबर ऑफ फ्लावर बेड, whenever you have to find out the number of flower bed, okay, then formula is area of a rectangular field, okay, sorry, here rectangular field upon area of flower bed. Okay, FB means Facebook नहीं है, FB means flower bed है. So here we can say area of rectangular field, that is 360 upon area of flower bed, that is 6 meter square. Now divide all of you and find out, the answer is 60. That means we can say in this flower bed we can put how many, 60 flower bed, like this way. Okay, like this way you can put 60 flower bed. So I hope all of you understood this question.